Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to draw Naruto Uzumaki. So let's draw a plus across the page to make the sketch easy. And now I'm drawing this line for the headband, and after it, I will be drawing the eyebrows. I'm drawing Uzumaki today because 2 days ago I made a post on the topic that which anime is your favorite and Uzumaki got the most vote. So that's why I have this tutorial today. And when drawing the eyebrows, make sure that the distance between the eyebrows is equal from the center line on both sides. And now before drawing the eyes, let's draw the lens first. And to everyone who is watching this video right now, please watch this video till the end and like the video in the end. And also don't go without subscribing my channel if you think the video was helpful. And now after drawing the lens, it's time to draw the eye shape. First draw the upper line and then the border line, and then your eye shape is done. And now it's time to proceed the same on the other side too. You still didn't like the video. I see. Come on buddy, like the video. Okay, now after drawing the eye, to draw the nose, first I'm drawing the structure with my light pencil like this, starting from the eyebrow, and now it's time to draw the nostrils. And after drawing the nostril, let's draw the mouth, and it's a white smirk actually. And now it's almost time to draw the jawline. So to draw the jawline, first mark the chin and then start drawing from the eyes like this. It's just a mere distance, that's not much, and I think that's really a ninja technique to draw the jawline. It's easy in my thoughts. And now it's time to draw the hair on either side of the face. After that, let's just draw the ear. And now I'm gonna proceed the same on the other side. And now let's make him Meow Meow. I still haven't watched Naruto, so I have no idea what is this. But currently I'm planning to watch Jujutsu Kaisen, so I hope it will go well. And I will absolutely watch Naruto after Jujutsu Kaisen. Are you still watching this video? Oh my god, you're so cute. Thank you. And here I messed up a little with this Naruto sign. And now after completing headband, let's draw the hair. basic sketch is done, and now let's do shading. And firstly, I'm using a 2H pencil and it's the light pencil. After 2H, let's use a 4B pencil, and it's an average dark pencil. And now I'm gonna use an HB pencil, and it's basically a normal pencil that we normally use for writing. And now I'm just casually switching pencils to complete the shading. So when shading is done, let's use our blending stumps for blending purposes. And I did very little shading in this sketch. And now I'm going to use my white paint marker to make the shining dot in the eyes. And finally, do your signature in the end, and let's go to see the final look. It's still looking pretty cool and neat, so let's meet you guys in the next video. Bye! Watch any of these two videos if you want to try another sketch of Uzumaki.